Jai Shri Ram, Sundarakanda Parayanam, Chapter 51. Hanuman's speech in Ravana's royal court. Hanuman addressed Ravana: O demon king Sugriva, the king of monkeys ordered me to come here to Lanka city. He is like a brother to you. He told me to inquire about your welfare. I will tell you exactly what he told me. King Dashratha used to rule Ayodhya. He protected his people like his own children. His eldest beloved son is Sri Rama. Sri Rama is very capable and strong person. That great man came to Dandakaranya forest with his wife Sita Mata and brother Lakshmana to oblige his father's orders. Sri Rama's wife, King Vaideha's daughter, got lost in the forest and could not be found. Sri Rama and Lakshmana came to Rishamukha mountain range in search of Sita Mata. Sri Rama became friends with Sugriva. Sugriva promised Sri Rama to search for Sita Mata. Sri Rama promised that Sugriva would win back his kingdom. According to that promise, Sri Rama killed Vali and Sugriva became the king of monkeys. O King Ravana, you should know that Vali the monkey. Sri Rama killed Vali with just one arrow. Sugriva kept his promise by sending millions of monkeys in all directions in search of Sita Mata. Some monkeys travel with lightning speed, some go faster than eagles, and some go faster than the wind. I am that wind god's son, and my name is Hanuman. O King Ravana, I came in search of Sita Mata by crossing 100 yojanas of ocean. I have no purpose except to see Sita Mata. I have seen Lanka. I have seen Sita Mata under custody. O King of demons, you are well versed in politics and law. You have performed penance. You are very intelligent. To steal somebody's wife is improper for you. People of your caliber do not do these types of actions. This is not only against the law, but you will be in danger. Not only danger, this action will destroy everything completely. O King, if Rama gets angry, Lakshmana will get angry. If the brothers release their arrows, there is no one who can withstand them. O King, being on the wrong side of Rama, no one will be happy. What you did is unlawful. That is what King Sugriva wanted me to tell you, and he sent me here. If you release Sita Mata, all the unlawful deeds you did will be wiped away. You can live happily with your riches. O King, you might ask me who told me you brought Sita Mata here. I saw Sita Mata with my own eyes. Of all the monkeys who were looking for Sita Mata, I am the luckiest, blessed one to see her. Sri Rama will take care of the rest of the work. You think Sita Mata is in your custody, but you are ignoring the fact that she is like a five-headed snake in front of you who could kill you. It is impossible for a hungry person eating poisonous food to be alive. O King, you earned a long life with great penance. Do not waste that. That will not work. You have a boon that you will not die by gods or demons. That boon will get wasted if you do not return Sita Mata. King Sugriva is not a god, nor is he a demon, nor a yaksha, nor a naga. Sugriva is a monkey. How can you protect yourself from Sugriva? O King, righteousness kills unlawful deeds. You have enjoyed the fruits of penance in the form of right law. You have to face the fruits of illegal deeds. Remember in Janasthana, Sri Rama alone killed all the demons. Rama had also killed Vali with one arrow. Sri Rama and Sugriva are friends. Remember that too. O King, with Sri Rama's permission, I can destroy the entire Lanka city along with your horses, elephants, chariots and buildings. But Sri Rama did not plan to do all that destruction. He promised to kill the one who stole Sita Mata. O King, Devendra cannot stand Sri Rama's anger. Your death is in the form of Sita Mata. Know your luck. Think about what is good for you. You have already seen the effects of keeping Sita Mata in Lanka. The fires have started. Next, Sri Rama's anger will completely destroy everything. Please do not destroy your friends, advisors, ministers, relatives, kith and kin, your well-wishers, wives and Lanka city. Return Sita Mata to Sri Rama. O King, I am Sri Rama's servant. I know his powers. I came as a messenger. I am neither a demon nor a human. I am in between, so I can speak objectively and speak the truth. Sri Rama can destroy the whole universe and recreate the universe just as easily. There is no one who can defeat Sri Rama, including the Asuras, the Yakshas, the Vidyadharas, the Gandharvas, the Siddhas, the Kinnaras, the Nagas and other categories. No one has fought with Sri Rama. It is impossible for you to live. Even Brahma, the three-eyed one who killed Tripura, and the king of gods and Devendra cannot protect you from Sri Rama. Upon hearing Hanuman's fearlessly spoken unpleasant words, Ravana ordered Hanuman to be killed. Jai Shri Ram. Sundarakanda Parayanam, chapter 51 complete.